All right, we're going to be talking about annuities, how to make a whole bunch of money by investing with periodic payments. So let's get into it. I want to compare an annuity with a compound interest question. So let's read this and figure out if we're dealing with an annuity or compound interest. Let's say we invest $1,000 for 4 years at 5% interest compounded monthly. What are we doing here? We're only investing $1,000 once, right? It says for 4 years, but that's how long the investment lasts. So we invest $1,000 right now, we gain a bunch of interest compounded monthly at 5%, and we find our future value. With compound interest, you only make one deposit at the beginning. With an annuity, we make multiple deposits at the end of each month if you're doing monthly. So notice that it says that it's compounded monthly. If this was an annuity, then we would have to be contributing each month. But this is not an annuity because it doesn't say anything about a recurring payment. Let's take a look at the actual question, and let's try to understand this a little bit. Determine the amount of the ordinary annuity at the end of the given period. $150 is deposited per month at 2% per month for 15 months. $150 is deposited per month. You see that? It's a periodic payment. At 2% per month for 15 months. This is going to be very important to focus on. 2% per month. What does that mean? You see, most questions, they give you the yearly interest rate, but this is a rare question because it is telling us that we have the periodic interest rate. This interest is being charged per month. It's a monthly interest rate. So we say that I equals to 0.02, and we don't have to divide by 12. That would be if this was the yearly interest rate, we would have to divide by 12. So that is an important observation, okay? The interest rate is not a yearly interest rate, R, but a monthly interest rate, I. Also, the number of periods is 15, because it's done for 15 months and you're being charged 2% per month. So everything is sort of in terms of months. We can say that N is just 15, and we don't need to multiply by 12. It's just 15. We also want to understand annuity formulas that they have a positive exponent. Amortization questions have a negative exponent, so that's a little trick. A stands for the future value of the annuity, R stands for the recurring payments. So, which formula should we use? It says determine the amount of the ordinary annuity at the given period, at the ends of the given period. So that would be the future value, A. So all we got to do is plug it in. So A equals to 150 times 1.02, because I is 0.02, raised to the 15 minus 1 divided by 0.02, and that's it. Let's plug it into a calculator. 150 times 1.02 raised to the 15 minus 1 divided by 0.02. And there we have it, approximately 2,594.01. So that would be the future value of our annuity if we deposit $150 for 15 months at 2%. All right, I hope that helps.
We drove 60 minutes just to go to the cave, but we couldn't go in it cause it started to rain. We had to drop back, but that's just alright. We decided to play some Mafia that night. In the middle of the night, we're playing our game, and Roger came in and he started to say, "Who broke the toilet? I need someone to blame. I need someone to blame. Tell me who broke the toilet, or I might go insane. I might go insane. Tell me who broke the toilet."